In this video, we're going to look at how to make all the pronunciation exercises invisible in the gradebook. So you go to grades and then here manage grades, which is where we are. And you can see here is everything that's in the grades. All of these items, the pronunciation exercises appear there, but they are not worth anything. So what you should do is select select all of them, all right, and then scroll to the bottom. So we're going to make everything invisible except for a few things that we will keep visible. So deselect these here, boom, and so on. Like this. And here in the quiz 2 thing, you're gonna unclick these two, but keep this one, the one that's worth 0 that says quizzes, we're gonna make it invisible. So keep it checked, and same thing here. All right, so that's it. When we go up and we put more actions and we put hide from users. Okay, and now ideally in your gradebook, the only things that show, you can see here, the I means the students cannot see it. The only things that show up are the ones that actually receive grades.